Good morning, children. Welcome back to our maths class. So, are you all ready for today's session? Yes? Very good. So, today we are going to do exercise problems. Okay, so we are going to solve exercise problems. Okay, exercise 9.1. Fill in the blanks. So, do you all remember all the conversions? Yes, how to convert meter into centimeter and centimeter into meter, meter into kilometer, right? Do you all remember? And liter into kiloliter, liter into milliliter, and similarly for grams into kilograms and kilograms into grams. Yes? Yes, I hope you all have remembered. Yes? So with that, shall we start doing problems? Yes. Okay. So the first question, 6 meter is equal to dash centimeter. 6 meter is equal to dash centimeter. So in 1 meter, how many centimeters will be there? In 1 meter. So 1 meter is equal to dash centimeter. 100 centimeter, right? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So, to convert meter into centimeter, what we have to do? So, from bigger unit to smaller unit. Yes, so we are going to convert the bigger unit into smaller unit. So, what we have to do? We have to multiply. Multiply by 100. Okay, so 6 meter is equal to 6 into 100 centimeter. It is equal to 600 centimeter. Okay, so the answer is 600 centimeter. 600 centimeter. Okay, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. To convert meter into centimeter, we have to multiply by 100. Okay. The next problem, B, 725 centimeter is equal to dash meter and dash centimeter. So, what we have to do? So, we can split this 725 centimeter into, so 725 centimeter is equal to 700 centimeter plus 25 centimeter. So, we can write like that, right? 700 centimeter, 25 centimeter can be splitted into two parts. How? 700 centimeter plus 25 centimeter. And we all know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, right? 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Then 700 centimeter is equal to 7 meter. Okay. So in the next step, what we can write? Instead of 700 centimeter, we can write 7 meter. Okay, because 700 centimeter is equal to 7 meter. 7 meter plus this 25 centimeter. This can be written as 7 meter 25 centimeter. Okay, so the answer is dash meter 7 meter and dash centimeter 25 centimeter. Okay, this is the answer, 7 meter and 25 centimeter. Okay, and the next problem, C, 12 decimeter. DM means decimeter. Okay, so 12 decimeter is equal to dash centimeter. So decimeter is bigger than centimeter. Okay, so 1 decimeter is equal to How much centimeters? 10 centimeters. Okay, 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. So to convert bigger unit into smaller unit, what we have to do? We have to multiply. Multiply by 10 here. Okay. So 12 decimeter is equal to 12 into 10 centimeter. Okay, 12 into 10 centimeter, which is equal to 120 centimeter. Okay. So 12 decimeter is equal to 12 into 10 centimeter, which is equal to 120 centimeter. Okay, so the answer is 120 centimeter. So here we have to write 120 centimeter. Is it clear? Because 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeters. Okay. And the next one, D, 6 kilogram is equal to dash gram. So first let's know 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Right? 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Then we are going to convert kilogram into gram. Then what we have to do? From bigger unit to smaller unit. To convert bigger unit into smaller unit, we have to multiply. Okay. So multiply by 1000. Okay. Multiply by 1000. So 6 kilogram is equal to 6 into 1000 grams. Okay. Which is equal to 6000 grams. Okay. So the answer is 6000 gram. Okay. Write 6000 here. Okay. 6000 gram. Next problem. E. 8 gram is equal to dash milligram. 8 gram is equal to dash milligram. And we have learnt 1 gram is equal to dash milligram. 1000, right? 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. So gram is the bigger unit and milligram is the smaller unit. Right? So to convert bigger unit into smaller unit, what we have to do? We have to multiply. Okay, by here 1000. Okay, so 8 gram is equal to 8 into 1000 milligram. 8 into 1000 milligram. Okay, which is equal to 8000 milligram. Okay, so the answer is 8000 milligram. So here we have to write 8000 milligram. Okay, the next one, F, 3 kilogram and 125 gram is equal to dash gram. So we have to convert that into grams. So first thing we have to convert this 3 kilogram into grams. Right? So to convert kilogram into gram, what we have to do? We have to multiply by 1000. Right? So 3 kilogram is equal to 3 into 1000 grams, which is equal to 3000 grams. So with this 3000 gram, we have to add this 125 gram, which is equal to 3125 gram. So we have converted into grams. Okay. So the answer is 3125 grams. Okay, is it clear, children? Okay, so the next one, 4 liter is equal to dash milliliter. So in 1 liter, how much milliliter will be there? There are 1000 milliliter, right? So 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So to convert liter into milliliter, we have to multiply by 1000. Okay, so 4 liter is equal to 4 into 1000 milliliter, which is equal to 4000 milliliter. Okay, so 4 liter is equal to 4000 milliliter. Is it clear? The next one, 11 kiloliter is equal to dash liter. 11 kiloliter is equal to dash liter. So 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liters. Okay, so to convert kiloliter into liter, what we have to do? We have to multiply by 1000. Okay, so 11 kiloliter is equal to 11 into 1000 liter, which is equal to 11,000 liter. Okay, so the answer is 11,000. Okay, it is very simple only. Okay, the only thing is you have to remember all the conversions. Okay, the next one, 8 kiloliter and 150 liter is equal to dash liter. So this is in liters, so we need not touch this. Okay, only thing we have to convert this kiloliter into liter and we have to add these both. Okay, so we all know that 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liters, right? So 8 kiloliter is equal to 8 into 1000 liters, which is equal to 8000 liter. And now add this 8000 liter plus this 150 liter, which is equal to 8150 liter. Okay, in the first step, you have to convert this kiloliter into liter. Okay, and then you have to add this 8000 liter plus this 150 liter. Okay, then we will get the answer in liters. So the answer is 8150. Okay, 8150 liters. Okay, the next one, 8075 milliliter is equal to dash liter and dash milliliter. So we have to split, right? So we have to split this 8075 milliliter. How to split? So this 8075 milliliter can be splitted into 8000 milliliter plus 75 milliliter. Okay, and we all know that 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. So 8000 ml is equal to, we have to divide this by 1000. Then we get 8 liter. Okay, so 8 liter plus 75 milliliter. And this can be written as 8 liter 75 milliliter. Okay, so the answer is 8 liter 75 milliliter. Okay, so the answer is 8 liter and 75 milliliter. This is the answer. Okay. The next one, 9 is equal to dash millimeter. So in 1 centimeter, how many millimeters are there? 10. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So to convert centimeter into meter, what we have to do? We have to multiply by 10. Okay. So 9 centimeter is equal to 9 into 10 millimeter, which is equal to 90 millimeter. Okay. So the answer is 90. Okay. 90 millimeter. Okay. The next one, 62 millimeter is equal to dash centimeter and dash millimeter. So here two dashes are there. So what we have to do? We have to split. Okay. So 62 millimeter can be splitted into 60 millimeter plus 2 millimeter. Okay. Plus 2 millimeter. And we all know that 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter, right? Then 60 millimeter will be 6 centimeter. Okay. So this can be written as 6 centimeter plus 2 millimeter. This can be written as 6 centimeter 2 millimeter. Okay. So the answer is 6 centimeter and 2 millimeter. Is it clear, children? Have you all understood? Yes? Okay. The next one, 46 milligram is equal to dash gram dash milligram. Okay, 5146 milligram is equal to dash gram and dash milligram. So this can be, we have to split this 5146 milligram, right? So 5146 milligram is equal to, we have to split. Okay, this will be equal to 5000 milligram plus 146 milligram. Okay, this will be equal to 5000 milligram is equal to 5 grams plus 146 milligrams. This can be written as 5 gram 146 milligram. Okay, how this will come? 5000 milligram is equal to 5 gram because 1000 milligram is equal to 1 gram. Okay, so 5000 milligram is equal to 5 gram. Okay, so the answer is 5 gram and 146 milligram. Have you all understood, children? Yes? So similarly, you have to do the remaining problems. Okay? So do practice at your home. Okay, children, on your own. Okay, and please study all the conversions. Okay, the basic thing is to convert bigger unit into smaller unit, you have to multiply. Okay, so to convert smaller unit into bigger unit, you have to divide. This is the basic thing you have to remember. Okay, and you have to learn all these conversions. That is 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. Okay, similarly 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liters. And 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Okay, and similarly for lengths. Okay, so how to convert from kilometer into meter, decimeter into centimeter, centimeter into meter, and centimeter into millimeter. Okay, all these conversions you have to learn. Okay, so I have shown one table, right? That is from kilometer to millimeter was there in that table, right? That you have to learn that table. Okay, then only you can do all these conversions. Okay, children, so practice all the problems at your home. Okay, children, so I'll meet you in the next class. Okay, thank you.